those, we drop a V2 of the striped shirt and drop another 2 colorways. You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely. Did you want to start that today?
Honestly, yeah, that's like the first project I've been like really pushing to get. I mean, when I got the blank, I made that sample right away, you know. I have a red striped t-shirt version of it that I wore yesterday, and it's also the blank I ordered from you guys, you know. But I have certain colorways I'd like to do. You guys don't necessarily have those in stock, so that's why I would want to go forth with like manufacturing those and like really pushing to manufacture those.
Yeah, definitely. So you got the stitching done just locally where you were at?
Yeah, I do. I actually do embroidery, screen printing, digital printing. I run my own small manufacturing shop where I live. So
cool.
I print for High Times Magazine. I made Letterman jackets, all embroidery, nothing Chinelli.
Oh, cool.
All by hand for Usher.
Oh, wow.
You know, so I've made a lot of stuff for a lot of different artists and a lot of different people, you know. And with making my own stuff, I want to perfect my craft. I want to work with high-end manufacturers that I can produce such a quality where it's like, yo, that's makes sense being in a luxury store, you know.
Yep.
In a sense. So
yeah.
You guys also have these flannels. I ordered some of these, and as soon as I sent them like my size runs, they're like, oh, we don't have any left.
Oh, wow.
So like, you know, flannels I want to produce, and even if you guys just restock these, I would take these blanks because everything I want to do is usable on these blanks, you know, silhouettes.
Definitely.